General Upen Dwivedi is in Srinagar. We're getting you the first visuals of his visit to Srinagar before he goes to Pahalgam. And these are the visuals on your screens as we speak. He's being briefed by the top commanders. That is the latest visual, exclusive visuals on Republic TV as we speak, viewers. These are the photos of Chief of Army Staff, General Upen Dwivedi, right now. On your screens are the latest visuals from Srinagar. And photos of the ongoing visit. He has also visited the Raj Bhavan, that is the governor's house, and he will be assessing the security situation. He is taking a brief from the commanders, from the other army commanders as well right now. These are the latest visuals that we are getting in right now from Srinagar, viewers. This is the big breaking news we are getting in right now from Srinagar. Right now the army chief will be also heading to Pahalgam terror site. And we, of course, in Srinagar can also hear many helicopters hovering around as the army chief, whenever there's a movement, we see some helicopters as well. This is the latest update we are getting in right now from Srinagar. I believe that he's heading to Pahalgam. That's the latest update after this meeting of the visuals that we are sharing from that visit that we are sharing. These are the latest visuals that are coming in right now, viewers. The chief of the army commander of Northern Command, the army commander, Northern Command, and 15 Corps GOC are part of this meeting. If I have to point out the pictures, the composition, we have the Chief of Army Staff, General Upen Dwivedi, Army Commander, Northern Command, and 15 Corps GOC. This is the update we are getting in right now. This is right ahead of the visit to the terror attack site. That is the big breaking news we have right now. Our Army Chief in Srinagar taking stock of the situation, also assessing and taking information about the recent infiltration bids and the encounters that have just happened, and many of the terror operations that are right now underway on multiple fronts. And now we have some more breaking news coming in, viewers, as we speak. What we are getting to know is